What's going on, guys? So this is just a quick video to show you guys how to remove your windshield wipers from your second gen GS300, 400 or 430. It's really simple but really tricky if you don't know how to do it. I had trouble myself and I couldn't find one video on how to do it. Okay, so it's really simple, like I said. So what you want to do is go ahead and lift up the wiper, turn it upside down, and right under here, let me zoom in real quick, there's a little tab. You can hear it right there. See it? Okay, so press that down. Let me focus it. Press it down, and with your thumb and your index, go ahead and slide it down. Pull it back a little bit and release it. Alrighty, so installing it is as easy as removing it. The rubber side up. Pop this out. The longer side is the one with the tab. Remember, that's what holds everything in place. So go ahead and slide this little bracket inside and slide it up. You should hear the little clip, nice and secure. If you want to remove it again, like I said, the little tab, slide it down. Okay, so now that that's installed, go ahead and flip it down and you're all good to go. Alrighty, thank you guys so much. I hope it helps. You guys have a great day.